Hi Sumira.
Hi teacher.
How are you?
I am fine teacher.
Okay. Today learning in freedom fighters names A to Z order. Are you ready?
Yes teacher.
A for
Anatla.
B for
Bhagat Singh.
C for
Janigazam.
D for
Dayanand Chaturthi.
E for
Ifrachand Divasagam.
F for
Firoz Mehta.
G for
Gopalkrishna Gokhale.
H for
Haddeva.
I for
Indira Gandhi.
J for
Jawaharlal Nehru.
K for
Kasturba Gandhi.
L for
Lala Lajpat
M for
Mahatma Gandhi.
N for
Netaji Ghosh.
O for
Onaka Baba.
P for
Pandit Mohan Malviya.
Q for
Q Lakshmibai.
R for
Rabindranath Tagore.
S for
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
T for
Tanya Topi.
U for
Udhamchik.
V for
Vivekananda.
W for
Padavali Lakshar.
X for
Akshar Sari Vyasik Patakke.
Y for
Y for Ushat Mahal.
Z for
Jin Mahal.
okay, very good girl.